Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Marvel Rivals Twitch drops. First, you'll need to link your Twitch account to your Marvel Rivals game account. This is a super important step, as it's how the game knows you've earned a drop. You can usually find the linking option on the official Marvel Rivals website or through your game's account settings. Make sure both accounts are successfully connected before moving on to the next step, which is watching eligible streams. Once your accounts are linked, the next step is to watch eligible Marvel Rivals streams on Twitch. You'll want to look for channels that have drops enabled clearly visible. These could be official Marvel Rivals broadcasts or streams from partnered content creators. Typically, you'll need to watch for a certain amount of time, perhaps 30 minutes or even an hour, to earn a drop. Keep an eye on the Twitch Drops inventory page to track your progress. After watching an eligible stream for the required duration, you'll be able to claim your drop. Head over to your Twitch Drops inventory page, which you can usually find by clicking on your profile icon. A notification will often pop up when a drop is ready to be claimed. It's important to claim your rewards promptly, as some drops might have an expiration period, typically within 24 to 48 hours. Don't miss out on your exclusive items. Finally, once you've claimed your drop on Twitch, it's time to jump into Marvel Rivals and enjoy your new items. Simply launch the game and log in. Your earned rewards, such as character skins or in-game currency, should automatically appear in your inventory or collection. Sometimes it might take a few minutes for the items to synchronize, so be patient. If you encounter any issues, double-check your account linking and Twitch inventory.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.